student, this is lecture number 3 for unit number 1. In second lecture we have seen crystal structure. Now we will see further the next topic, relationship between molar mass density of the substance and unit cell age length is deduced in following step. There are the 4 steps. If age length of cubic unit cell is A, the volume of unit cell is A cube. Suppose mass of one particle is m and that there are n particle per unit cell. So mass of unit cell equal to m into n, equation 1. The density of unit cell rho, which is same as density of the structure, is given by rho equal to mass of unit cell divided by volume of unit cell equal to m into n upon a cube. Equation 2. Molar mass capital M of the substance is given by m equal to mass of one particle into number of particle per mole. So m equal to small m into Na. Na is Avogadro number. So therefore m equal to m upon Na. Equation 3. Combining equation 2 and 3 gives the rho equal to n into m upon a cube into Na. Equation 4. This is the density of molar mass equation. Next point, packing of particles in crystal lattice. Constituent particles of the crystalline solid are closed pack. The closeness of particle maximizes the interparticle attraction. The number of neighboring spheres that touch any given sphere is its coordination number. Magnitude of the coordination number is a measure of compactness of sphere in closed pack structure. The larger the coordination number, the closer are the sphere to each other. Closed pack structure. The three-dimensional closed pack structure can be understood conveniently by looking at the closed pack in 1 and 2 dimensional and also 3 dimensional. There are 3 types: closed packing in 1 dimension, closed packing in 2 dimension and closed packing in 3 dimension. Now we will see closed packing in 1 dimension. A closed pack in one-dimensional structure results by arranging the sphere to touch each other in row. This is the one-dimension figure. Second, closed packing in 2 dimension. A closed pack 2-dimensional structure results by stacking the row together such that they are in contact with each other. So there are 2 types of 2 dimension: square closed packing and hexagonal closed packing structure. First one we will see square closed packing. One-dimensional row of closed pack spheres are stacked over each other such that the sphere align vertically and horizontally. A square is obtained by joining the center of these 4 closest neighbors. Therefore, this 2-dimensional closed packing is called square closed packing in 2 dimension. Now we will see in figure. If the first row is labeled as A type, being exactly same as the first row. The second row is also labeled as A. Third row is also labeled as A. So we are called that this arrangement we are called that the A type. Second point is hexagonal clothes packing. Clothes pack one-dimensional row shows that there are depression between the neighboring pair. A regular hexagon is obtained by joining the center of six closest pair. Hence, this two-dimensional clothes packing is called hexagonal clothes packing structure. Now in figure, we will see if the second row is arranged in such a way that its pair fit in the depression of the first row is called the A type. First row we are called A type and second row being different is called the B type. This is repetition of same arrangement after the word. So this arrangement is called AB type arrangement. Clothes packing in 3 dimension. Stacking of 2-dimensional layer gives rise to 3-dimensional crystal structure. Accordingly, two crystal structure, namely hexagonal closed pack HCP and face center cubic FCC structure are formed. Stacking of square clothes packing layer. Stacking of square closed pack layer generate a 3-dimensional simple cubic structure. The second layer is placed over the first layer so as to have its pair exactly above those of the first layer. Square closed pack layer are placed one above of the other same manner. In this arrangement, we will see in this arrangement, pair of all layers are perfectly aligned horizontally as well as vertically. All the layers are alike and are labeled as a layer. This arrangement is called that the A type. Its unit cell is the primitive cubic unit cell. Next point, packing efficiency. It is the ratio of volume of space occupied by pair by total volume. Packing efficiency is the fraction or percentage of the total space occupied by pair. Packing efficiency equal to volume occupied by particle in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. Equation 1. Packing efficiency of metal crystal in simple cubic lattice. Step 1. Radius of sphere. A face of simple cubic unit cell is shown that figure. It is evident that A equal to 2R or R equal to A upon 2. Equation 1. R is the radius of atom and A is the length of unit cell. Step 2. Volume of sphere. Volume of sphere equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into r cube. Substitute the for r from equation 1. So r equal to A upon 2. Volume of one particle equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into A upon 2 bracket cube equal to pi into A cube upon 6. Equation 2. Total volume of particle. Step 3. Volume occupied by particle in unit cell equal to pi A cube upon 6. Step 4. Packing efficiency. Packing efficiency equal to volume occupied by particle in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. So equal to, therefore, pi into A cube upon 6 divided by A3 into 100. So A cube cancel. 100 into pi upon 6 equal to 100 into 3.14. So pi equal to 3.142. This value is constant. So 100 into 3 in 0.14 2 divided by 6 equal to 52.36%. This is the simple cubic lattice, 52.36%. Second, packing efficiency of metal crystal in body center cubic structure. Step 1, radius of sphere. The particle at the center of the cube touches two corner particles along the diagonal of the cube. To obtain radius of particle, Pythagoras theorem V is applied. So for triangle FED, this is the triangle FED. So angle FED equal to 90 degree. So from Pythagoras theorem, FD square equal to FE square plus ED square. FD square equal to A square plus A square equal to 2A square. Therefore, FE and ED square equal to A. Equation 1. For triangle AFD. So, angle ADF equal to 90 degree. ADF equal to 90 degree. So, AF square equal to AD square plus FD square. Equation 2. Substitute equation 2 in equation 1. AF square equal to A square plus 2A square equal to 3A square. Therefore, AD equal to A and AF equal to root 3A. Equation 3. Figure show that AF equal to 4R. Substitution for AF from equation 3 gives root 3A equal to 4R and hence R equal to root 3 upon 4 into A. Equation 4. Volume of sphere. Next step. Volume of sphere particle equal to 4 upon 3 into pi r cube. Substitution for R from equation 4 gives the volume of one particle equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into root 3 upon 4a bracket cube. We are substitute the value of R here. 4 upon 3 into pi into root 3 cube upon 64 into a cube. So therefore root 3 into pi a square upon 16. Total volume of particle. Unit of body center cubic structure contain two particles. Hence volume occupied by particle in BCC unit cell 2 into root of 3 pi a cube divided by 16 equal to root 3 pi a cube upon 8. Equation 5. Last step, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency equal to volume occupied by particle in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. So therefore root 3 into pi a cube upon 8 a cube into 100. So a cube cancel. Therefore root 3 into 3 upon 142 upon 8 into 100 equal to 68%. Last point, packing efficiency of metal crystal in face center cubic lattice. Step 1, radius of particle. The triangle ABC is the right angle with angle ABC equal to 90 degree. ABC equal to 90 degree. According to Pythagoras theorem, AC square equal to AB square plus BC square equal to A square plus A square equal to 2A square, because AB and BC equal to A. Hence AC equal to root 2A, equation 1. Figure shows that AC equal to 4R. Substitution for AC from equation 1 gives root 2A equal to 4R, or R equal to root 2 upon 4 into A. So therefore A upon 2 into root 2, equation 2. Next step, volume of sphere. Volume of one particle equal to 4 upon 3 into pi r cube. Substitute for r from the equation 2. So volume of one particle equal to 4 upon 3 into pi into A upon root 2 into root 2 bracket cube. So 4 upon 3 into pi into A cube into 1 upon 2 root 2 bracket cube. So pi A cube divided by 12 into root 2. We are multiply here 3 into 2. Step 3, total volume of particle. The unit cell of FCC lattice contains 4 particles. 4 into pi A cube divided by 12 into root 2. So therefore pi A cube divided by 3 into root 2. Last, packing efficiency. Packing efficiency equal to volume occupied by particle in unit cell divided by total volume of unit cell into 100. So therefore pi into A cube divided by 3 into root 2 A cube into 100. A cube cancel. So therefore pi upon pi upon 3 into root 2 divide into 100. So equal to 3.14 divided by 3 into root 2 into 100. So therefore the 74%.